These are mainly free-swimming marine animals with umbrella-shaped bells and trailing tentacles. These are only in the deep sea but not at east. So, let's jump into the video to see the mysterious and beautiful lake filled with millions of jellyfish. Before we begin, we publish good content videos every day. If you're not subscribed to the channel, just tap the subscribe button below and don't forget to like this video. Never, or you will be in trouble. Years of isolation have rendered them harmless to humans, allowing divers to swim through forests of these gentle jellyfish. In the sparsely polluted country of Palau sits is a small island named Il Mul. Barely peaking above the high tide of the ocean, this island holds a secret. Just a few hundred feet from the beach lies a marine lake that is a home to millions of jellyfish. These jellies in the lake have lived there for 12,000 years. Isolated from the open ocean, they have evolved their own biology and routine. Sea and rainwater enter the lake through a shallow complex of coral caverns left over from a time before humans walked the earth. Though water can flow in through these narrow fissures and crevices, the jellyfish themselves cannot leave. This long-time isolation has caused the moon and jellyfish in the lake to mutate slightly. Golden jellyfish are genetically close to their widespread brethren in nearby lagoons, but have many unique characteristics. The golden jellies are missing spots and have shortened arms. To derive sustenance, they are on a symbiotic relationship with algae living in their tissue. Scientists are still trying to decode the cryptic secrets of the lake's moon jellyfish DNA, but are fairly certain that the species has not interbred with other moon jellies in millions of years. Both of the lake's inhabitants have lost much of the stinging tendrils, rendering them harmless to divers. This has made the magical lake full of gentle jellyfish a bucket list location for divers all over the world. The jellyfish make a series of daily migration across the lake's surface, following the sun during the day and even the moon at night. Despite their large numbers, they swim only near the surface of the water, where food and oxygen are available. The bottom of the jellyfish lake is their toxic trap. Below, where the reef allows in the fresh water, the atmosphere is dead, oxygen-less and tainted with hydrogen sulfide. A journey to the lake bottom would mean death for jellyfish and would be even toxic for a human diver. The jellyfish are instead content to live in their isolated lake, close to the surface where the environment is precariously balanced to support life. Warming climate conditions have often proven disastrous for jellyfish lake, with the population cratering during the strong El Nino. Despite threats from ocean warming, the population has demonstrated an ability to bounce back in short time period. After almost no jellyfish were observed in the lake in 1998, they seem to make a full comeback by 2012. So, I think you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to click the like button below this video and subscribe to the channel.